Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can save reels without posting, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So I'm going to be showing you the process for it, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. So first thing, we're going to go ahead, open up our Instagram, and we're going to go to tab plus, we go to reel section, and we're going to go ahead add in a reel for us. Let's say this is the reel that we have. We're going to go to tap next, and now we're going to tap on this option of save draft. Once we have done that, we have one draft over here, and when we go to draft right over here, we will check out our video. So the video will be here in the edited section, right, the draft section, right? And if I tap on it again and tap on this allow people to download your reel, turn on cancel, just turn on for this one and go back. Now make sure to choose the only, and that's what you're going to do, and you're simply going to go ahead and you're going to upload it. Once you have shared your particular reel, you're gonna go to your profile section, and then you go to your reel. Once you go tap on the share icon, and then simply go ahead and tap on download. Now the reel will be downloaded, and once you're done, you're going to go back to your profile as well, and you're going to simply go ahead, tap on it, tap on this three dot icon, tap on delete, tap on delete over here. Reel has been deleted, and when you go back and open up your gallery, you will be able to check out that it has been downloaded as well. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.